Greetings, Jamaica and the world. Welcome to the Jamaica Bulletin Board, your go-to channel for staying connected to the pulse of our island, no matter where you are. Today, we're diving into the latest news shaping our nation. But before we get started, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to keep the good vibes and vital updates flowing. Let's jump right in. News Roundup. Sports triumphs. Jamaican athlete Nikali Williams has made us proud by securing second place in the men's indoor long jump at the NC Division I Indoor Championships in Virginia. It's a sweet comeback after last year's challenges, and we're cheering him on as he continues to soar. Crime reduction milestone. Jamaica is on track for a historic drop in homicides this year, with the National Security Minister projecting fewer than 800 murders for 2025. This would mark a significant improvement, thanks to enhanced police resources and strategic crime-fighting measures. Jamaica is making significant strides in reducing crime, with the National Security Minister, Dr. Horace Chang, projecting fewer than 800 murders for 2025, a milestone not seen in recent history. This optimism is fueled by encouraging crime figures in the first quarter of the year, including February 2025 recording just 47 murders, the lowest monthly figure in 25 years. Key factors contributing to this progress include enhanced police resources. The Jamaica Constabulary Force, JCF, is now better equipped with modern technology, improved facilities, and strategic crime-fighting measures. Community policing. Areas like St. Elizabeth have seen remarkable reductions in crime, with community collaboration playing a vital role. Crime experts have conducted in-depth analyses of the security landscape, leading to targeted interventions against gang-related violence. Dr. Chang emphasized the importance of maintaining this momentum by continuing investments in police resources and fostering community trust. However, he also called for balanced critiques from human rights organizations, arguing that overly harsh rhetoric could undermine police morale and progress. This milestone reflects a collective effort to create a safer Jamaica. The Jamaican government has announced a $1 billion initiative to boost the uptake of prepaid electricity, aiming to combat theft and support low-income households. This is part of the wider efforts to improve energy accessibility and affordability. The Jamaican government has launched a $1 billion initiative to encourage the adoption of prepaid electricity, targeting the first 20,000 new customers who sign up with the Jamaica Public Service Company, JPS. This program aims to combat electricity theft, which cost the country a staggering $40.385 billion Jamaican dollars in 2023, and to make electricity more accessible and affordable for low-income households. House wiring and inspection costs covered. The government will absorb the costs of house wiring and inspection for new customers, enabling those with illegal connections to transition to legal and safe connections. Monthly credit. Each of the first 20,000 new prepaid customers will receive a $4,000 monthly electricity credit for 6 months. Half of this credit will be funded by the government, while the other half will come from JPS. Reduced GCT. The General Consumption Tax, GCT, on electricity will be reduced to 7% starting May 1, 2025. Flexibility and control. Prepaid electricity allows customers to purchase electricity in amounts they can afford, offering greater control over their energy usage. Prepaid cards and vouchers will be available at numerous outlets across the island, with online top-up options also planned. This initiative is part of a broader strategy to address the issue of electricity theft while improving energy accessibility for vulnerable communities. Expansion of Student Loan Bureau, SLB, repayment period. The Ministry of Education has announced a significant reform to the Student Loan Bureau, SLB, extending the repayment period for new beneficiaries to 10 years. This change will take effect for students beginning tertiary studies in September 2025. Key details of the reform. Extended repayment period. The repayment period will increase from the current 5 to 7 years to 10 years, providing borrowers with more time to repay their loans without increasing interest rates. Future reforms. The government is planning additional reforms to the SLB, including increased loan amounts to cover not just tuition but also housing, books, supplies, laptops, and meal stipends. A reduction in interest rates on various loan products. Enhanced customer service through a new online platform, allowing students to view loan details, print statements, and make payments online. Commitment to accessibility. These changes aim to ease the financial burden on students and their families, enabling them to focus on their education and future goals. This initiative reflects the government's commitment to improving access to higher education and supporting students in achieving their academic aspirations. Education news. The Ministry of Education has expanded the Student Loan Bureau repayment period to 10 years for new beneficiaries starting tertiary studies this September. This move is expected to ease the financial burden on students and their families. Community development. The first freshwater fish agropark is set to be established in Mitchelltown, Clarendon. This project aims to boost local agriculture and create sustainable livelihoods for residents. News on sports. Women's Premier League showdown. The Jamaica Women's Premier League is heating up as defending champions Frazier's Whip FC face off against Los Perfectos FC today. Both teams are undefeated so far, and fans are eagerly anticipating a thrilling match at the Anthony Spalding Sports Complex. That's it for today's roundup, folks. Remember, staying informed is staying empowered. If you enjoyed this update, hit that like button, share it with your friends and family, and make sure to subscribe so you never miss a beat. Until next time, walk good and stay blessed.